If you're on well water, you already know. The rust stains on the sink, the rotten egg smell in the shower, the cloudiness you just can't get rid of. You've tried filters, you've tried softeners. Maybe you've even called a plumber who shrugged. What if the solution wasn't a chemical, but nature's most powerful purifier? Meet the Triple O Ozone Water Treatment System. Model T WTS 101, the chemical free whole tank water purification system built specifically for well and spring water. This system works inside your holding tank, not in your pipes, not on your faucet. It continuously purifies your entire supply, treating 10 gallons per minute. That's over 14,000 gallons every single day. Works on gravity-fed and standard well systems alike. If you rely on a well, spring, or cistern for your home, farm, or property, this was built for you. No more iron staining. The system pairs an ozone generator with an air pump to push micro-sized ozone bubbles through your entire tank 24 hours a day. Ozone destroys bacteria thousands of times faster than chlorine, leaving zero chemical residue. Its only byproduct? Pure oxygen. Iron, manganese, and that rotten egg odor, gone. It even improves acidic pH levels without salt or chemicals. Quality Water Treatment is the only authorized website to sell Triple O online. We've been helping American families since 1990. Visit qualitywatertreatment.com today. Finally get the well water you've always deserved. Because clean water isn't a luxury.